Look, she lost 8.4 pounds in 14 days. She lost 10.14 pounds in 56 days. And see how her tummy has reduced in just 28 days. These were members of my weight loss program where we used jump rope as a major tool for weight loss. These are real and realistic weight loss results based on experience, not far-fetched theories from websites and such. I'll show you the simple steps you need to follow to start losing weight with a skipping rope, the exact things you need to do at every stage of your weight loss journey, and how to keep doing these things without a relapse. Then finally, how to track your results to know how long it will take you before you arrive at your desired goal. Some clients told me they've tried several ways to lose weight. Some even went as far as calling some programs scam because none of this method actually worked for them. However, ever since they've started using this method I'll be sharing with you in this video, they've been happy with the result they've gotten so far. One more thing before we begin. Just like students who took the same exams will come out with different results, when we place client A and B in this method, client A might turn out to lose more weight than client B and vice versa. This is due to some reasons we'll get to learn in this video. However, both client A and B will lose weight at the course of the weight loss journey. With this out of the way, let's get to step 1. Step 1. Hold on, I think you're missing something. I was recently invited to a hangout where I met with friends I haven't seen in years. We visited the National Children Park and Zoo where we saw different animals, played games and had fun. Everything went smoothly well because my friend has taken out a good chunk of her time and mental space to plan it and followed up to make sure that everyone was on the same page. From this hangout, I learned that to have a smooth run on something that is very, very important, one has to strategize. Most people think that hitting the gym immediately after thinking of losing weight with a skipping rope is the first thing to do, but they are totally wrong. The first thing you need to do is to get a pen and a paper to outline your strategy. Planning is key, and because our plans don't always go as we want them, it is good to have a backup plan called Plan B. From this your master plan you're going to outline on this paper with your pen. You should be able to tell the kind of meals you're going to eat to help you lose weight, how to eat these meals, the kind of exercises you need to do, the kind of workout and when to do them, how to fit in this workout into your busy work day schedules, whether or not you need a personal trainer or to join a community. Once you put all of this together in your master plan, you notice that your weight loss journey is going to be as perfect as possible. In the early 2018, when I started jumping rope actively, I remember clearly how difficult it was for me to jump rope 30 times consecutively without tripping on the rope. I also remember clearly the pain that is associated with the lashes I receive from the jump rope each time I trip on the rope. Also, the body pains, the joint pains that is associated with each section of jump rope. In a bid to make sure that I was on the right track to lose weight with a skipping rope, I went online to make a few research. The first research I made was that how many numbers do I actually need to jump rope for before I start losing weight? From this research, many people said that one needs 500 jumps, 1000 jumps, etc. to lose weight with a skipping rope. However, one beautiful post caught my attention. What it says is that one has to listen to one's body to jump rope as much as the body can tolerate to actually lose weight, which made sense because not everyone has the same level of jump rope skill set, as it may be easier for client A to jump rope 100 times without tripping than client B, who might just be handling a skipping rope for the first time in 25 years since high school. Another research made it clearer, as it says applying a specific method of aerobic exercise will yield more weight loss results. Over the years, several people have applied this method and it has yielded them great success rate. This method is what we are going to be learning in this video. The moment I learned about this method, I knew I needed to start training myself to fit in my workout plan into this method to start losing weight. The first thing I did was to start training myself with fewer numbers like 50. So I started skipping rope 50 times unbroken. I tried to move on to 100 times unbroken until I built my way up high to 1000 skips unbroken. Moving forward, I was even able to do 3000 skips unbroken, which I posted on this channel. I also tried to teach people the secret to doing 3000 skips unbroken on this channel. It was only at this moment that I started noticing that I was losing weight. I was very happy because I haven't even applied one special ingredient that would skyrocket my weight loss results. Though I was losing weight, my problem was not completely solved. I noticed I wasn't getting toned and as strong as I want to be carrying out all these workout exercises. This is because skipping rope exercise is classified under aerobic exercise, so I needed to carry out one final research which opened my eyes to the world of anaerobic exercise, which is mainly for toning, strength training, etc. I combined this knowledge into a formula, thus jump rope exercise in this specific method plus anaerobic exercises equal to aesthetic workout results. I applied this formula to my clients and they've been happy with their weight loss results. Sometimes back in 2019, I joined a skipping rope challenge where the rules were very simple. One just needs to keep jumping as fast as possible without tripping. At first, it seemed very difficult, but after the first day, it became very easy. Did I win this challenge? That is not as important as the point I'm about to share with you, because after entering the group chat of this challenge, I met several people who are also trying to lose weight. They were always discussing about this fancy meal plan that was spiking interesting conversation on this group chat. I didn't really pay attention to this meal plan initially because I was strictly focused on the prize of the skipping rope challenge and I wanted to win it so badly. But immediately after this challenge, I went online to make research about dieting and I found intermittent fasting. After combining intermittent fasting with skipping rope workouts, I noticed a tremendous change in my weight loss results. This brings us to the fact that using the right diet plan with skipping rope workouts will yield you maximum results. This tallies with the study which states that diet contributes about 75% to weight loss. This can be seen in those who try to lose weight with exercise alone, as they turn out to lose little or no weight, as compared to those who combine diet and workout exercises, who turn out to lose more weight at the end of the day. To be honest, I didn't start skipping rope because I wanted to lose weight. I was very athletic from childhood and I wanted to hold on to that physical activity level in the university as the schedule was super tight. Then jump rope came to my rescue. 15 minutes of skipping rope exercise is just what I need to keep fit in school. After a while, I found myself drifting away. I discovered that just the regular skipping style was becoming so boring and annoying, so I dropped my rope in my bag. But to become more consistent, a thought came to me that why don't I check on YouTube to see if there are other jump ropers out there. To my surprise, I met people who had different skipping rope skills that were very enticing and interesting. So I joined the bandwagon and I learned some tricks that I even teach on this channel today. You can see some of the videos around. I was so happy that my head was back in the game. So I came up with these 4 R's that will help you keep your head in the game. R1 is realistic goals. It is very, very important for us to set realistic goals if we really want to enjoy our jump rope weight loss journey. This is because if we don't set these goals in a realistic way, we are going to burn out and will not even lose any weight at all. So a good example of this kind of realistic goals would be, I want to lose 1 pound every week, or I want to carry out 5 push-ups around 5 a.m. 3 times this week. These are the examples of the kind of realistic goals you should be setting for yourself before actually hitting the gym for your workout exercise to lose weight with the skipping rope. R2 is reminders. It is very important to set reminders such that they'll keep your head in the game at all time. Some very good examples of reminders is using your smartwatch to send reminders, using your smart mobile devices to set reminders that will always remind you to keep your head in the game. Or you can set up reminders in your room, like arranging your immediate environment such that it reminds you that you're actually planning to lose weight or you're in your weight loss journey. So you shouldn't be buying snacks and stocking your fridge with snacks that you won't be eating, but keeping fruits and vegetables, those kind of meals that will help you actually lose weight around you so you eat healthy all the time. Put your workout equipment where you can actually see them and access them so they remind you that yes, you need to work out today or you work out tomorrow or any time of the week. R3 is reward. It is important to always reward yourself. Each time you hit a new milestone, it will keep you going at ease and with joy. R4 is resting. I know this might stir up some argument right now because a lot of people don't think that resting is important when you're trying to lose weight. Resting is very, very important because it gives your body the time to recover. As you work out, you expose your body to stress, which damages some body tissues. Resting gives your body the opportunity for these tissues to recover and gives you the energy to come back and hit this workout the following day to yield maximum weight loss result with the skipping rope. The main reason trainees call trainers and their weight loss plans scam is because they don't really understand something that is very, very important. You see, newborn babies don't start walking from the womb. When they are born, they go through different stages of learning how to smile, learning how to identify their parents, learning to sit without support, learning to stand up without support, then eventually taking their first step when the time is right for them. So at every stages of their development, their body go through different changes that prepares it for the task that is ahead of it. If this newborn baby is meant to walk in 12 months and you try to force him or her to stand up at this point in time, you're going to be wasting your time and be disappointed because it is not the right time for that baby to start walking. Most people have completely no idea that whenever they try to lose weight with the skipping rope, it goes in different stages. Just like the newborns develop at different stages. You discover that at the first week of your weight loss journey, jumping rope will be very difficult. You run short of breath at a very short period of time. Your heart will fail you. Your body will pain you so much so that you can't even lift your body to carry out those exercises. But the moment you keep showing up and continue doing these exercises, you notice a change. You begin to feel that these exercises are no challenge to you anymore. You want to even ask for more. Isn't this a good measure? At this point, it is very important to start tracking your weight loss results. And to track this result, you should be aware that some factors affect how you lose weight if you're going through this specific weight loss plan method. And this is the reason why we mentioned that when you apply these methods to clients A and B at the same time, they will not yield the same weight loss result. Some of these factors include the diet you're using, your body weight, your body metabolism, your commitment to this workout, etc. Aside from these factors, some errors which are termed the 5 E's can stall your weight loss progress. Like this video and share with your loved ones as we learn about the 5 E's in the next few minutes. E1 is error of constantly checking your weight. E2 is error of not resting. E3 is error of not drinking enough quantity of water. E4 is error of not following or using the right diet plan. E5 is error of not using or following the right workout plan. It is very, very important to track your weight loss journey to know whether or not you're on the right track. How do you do this? You simply do this by taking body measurements and photos before you begin your weight loss journey. Then repeating this body measurement and photos at a later time, let's say 6 months or 1 year. Then you compare these photos and body measurement to see the tremendous change you've accomplished in your weight loss journey. To spice things up, you could also opt for smart fitness devices like your smartwatch, your smartphone devices, smart skipping ropes, and the likes. They take the whole weight loss metrics to a whole new level, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy using them a lot. If you're really interested in the specific method I use with my clients to lose weight, type interested in the comment section. The points I've shared with you in this video are very valid but will be completely useless if you don't apply them to the practical steps I'll be sharing in this video linked up in my description. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.